Hello everyone, it is Mohammed from Canadian Elements Auto Detailing. Today's project, Toyota Tundra with a 5.7 V8. That's a really nice vehicle, quite powerful. If we look at today's project, again, a lot of things here should be expected. So we have a lot of bugs in the front. It is a high vehicle. A little bit of haze in here because of the age of the vehicle. See on the side, it's a little bit cracked up from the inside. So we'll do our best to take care of the headlights from outside. If we look inside, the tires here, the wheels, and the wheel well inside of it, and if it's showing in the camera or not. But basically, it is not in a bad condition, but definitely needs to be improved on. Chrome, the faded plastic, sitting outside elements all the time. If you look here closely, you can see two different shades of white. So basically, I believe this is the original and this was painted after. So is the front. So is here. So we're doing a little bit of testing before we start on the vehicle to make sure we have the proper clear coat and proper thickness of the paint. I'm not quite sure what that is. Hope it's not concrete. I will try to get rid of it. The owner has specifically asked me not to do the top. I'm guessing he's getting a new one or something like that. But of course it's got to be washed and taken care of. The back has a lot of has a lot of plastic, and that is good in a way because it can be washed and detailed fast. A little bit of tar in the side here, to be expected again. That dent will be taken care of after. The doors, windows. It's a high vehicle. You should expect to have bugs on it. Inside, a lot of people on YouTube will say, oh my god, the car is filthy, I have to do a lot of work. Well, yeah, you have to do a lot of work, but the car's not filthy. This is average dirt. This is your job, is to take care of this vehicle and to make it better. If the car is not dirty, why would the owner come to you? So definitely they need some kind of improvement. Even if they maintain it on a weekly basis, they bring it to you to be improved. So look at this plastic over here. It's like 3 different shades. Yeah, I love challenges. This is my favorite. The door, a lot of plastic here, dirt buildup, no big deal. Leather is faded a little bit, a lot of dust in here. I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. Alright, so that's today's project. Let me do my best. Let's see what happens.